What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to remotely connect to your computer from anywhere by using Remote Desktop add-on in Google Chrome. You have to use Google Chrome on both computers and you have to have Gmail account to do that. On your remote computer, the one you would like to access remotely, open your Chrome browser, and in here we need to type remotedesktop.google.com/access, and in here we need to set up remote access. So just click on this little button to download Chrome Remote Desktop, and then this window is gonna appear. Just click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension, and then in here click on Accept and Install and then press Yes. And in here we need to come up with a name. I'm just gonna type ATech and then click Next, and then we need to choose a PIN and then click on Start and then press OK at this pop-up box. On your other computer, the one that you're going to be using to access your remote computer, launch Google Chrome and go to remotedesktop.google.com/access, and in here you're going to see a tech computer, the one that we set up for remote access, and from here just click on it and it's going to connect. Now we have to type the PIN, the one that we created earlier, and then press enter or on this little arrow, and that's it. Now we're remotely accessing that other computer, and you can see that we still have all the windows open, and you can see your desktop, and you can access all of your programs or files remotely for free using Remote Desktop software provided by Google Chrome. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.